AK-12, model 2023/24. The face of the modern Russian soldier. By 2026, the AK-12 has fully matured from its troubled introduction. This is the 5.45mm standard infantry rifle, but it looks very different from the prototype shown a decade ago. Based on hard lessons learned in high-intensity conflict, the 2-round burst mode was deleted, the diopter sights were ruggedized, and the stock was reinforced. It features a free-floating barrel for better accuracy and integral Picatinny rails for optics, a massive leap forward from the side rail mounts of the Soviet era. While it retains the legendary long-stroke gas piston reliability of the Kalashnikov, this is a sharper, more ergonomic tool designed for body armor and night vision. AK-74M, the mobilization horsepower. While the AK-12 is the goal, the sheer scale of warfare means the AK-74M remains the reality for hundreds of thousands of troops in 2026. A blackened polymer furniture evolution of the classic AK-74, it is rugged, simple, and fires the standard 5.45 by 39mm cartridge. It lacks the modularity of the AK-12, requiring complex clamps to mount modern optics, but its reliability is unquestioned. It is the definition of good enough, serving as the backbone of mechanized infantry and conscript forces across the vast Russian front lines. AM-17, the successor of the legendary Krinkov. Designed to replace the AKS-74U for pilots, tank crews, and special forces, the AM-17 is a compact assault rifle weighing less than 2.5 kilograms. Unlike the traditional AK layout, it uses a polymer upper receiver reinforced with steel, drastically reducing weight. It features a folding stock and a top rail for optics, firing the standard 5.45mm cartridge. By 2026, it has become the standard personal defense weapon for Russian Aerospace Forces and vehicle operators who need rifle power in a submachine gun-sized package. PKP Pecheneg, the Scythe. This is arguably one of the best general-purpose machine guns in the world. Chambered in the powerful 7.62 by 54R cartridge, a round in service since 1891, the Pecheneg is a modernization of the PKM. Unlike Western machine guns that use quick-change barrels, the Pecheneg uses a heavy, fixed barrel with forced air cooling ribs. When the gun fires, the muzzle blast pulls cool air over the barrel, allowing for sustained fire without the need to swap parts. It is heavy, brutal, and utterly reliable, capable of suppressing enemy positions and turning cover into concealment at 1,000 meters. RPK-16. The Russian answer to the squad automatic weapon dilemma. Designed to replace the RPK-74, the RPK-16 abandons the long fixed barrel for a shorter interchangeable barrel system. It feeds from a massive 95-round drum magazine, or standard AK-12 magazines. It attempts to bridge the gap between an assault rifle and a light machine gun, offering the squad mobile volume of fire. While critics argue it lacks the sustained fire capability of a belt-fed weapon, its light weight allows the gunner to keep up with the assault team in urban environments. SVCh Chukavin, the heir to the Dragunov. After 60 years of service, the legendary SVD is finally being replaced by the SVCh. This is a semi-automatic designated marksman rifle chambered in 7.62 by 54R. Unlike the SVD, which was a stretched AK mechanism, the Chukavin uses a modern curtain design where the internal parts are suspended in the upper receiver, reducing stress and improving accuracy. It features a full-length top rail for mounting thermal and night vision sights directly in line with the bore. By 2026, this has become the primary tool for Russian sharpshooters to extend the squad's reach beyond 800 meters. SVCh 12, the urban Hauser. This is a specialized heavy assault rifle used by the FSB and elite assault units. It is a bullpup design chambered in the massive 12.6 by 55mm caliber. The concept is simple: stopping power over range. In urban close-quarters combat, standard bullets might pass through a target on drugs or adrenaline. The SVCh 12 delivers a 33-gram slug that guarantees the target goes down immediately, even if hitting body armor. It is a niche weapon, but terrifyingly effective in its role. KSVK 12.7 ASVK, the anti-material beast. A bullpup bolt-action rifle firing the 12.7 by 108 mm heavy machine gun cartridge. It is designed to disable light vehicles, destroy radar dishes, and eliminate enemy snipers through brick walls. The ASVK-M version, standard in 2026, features a lighter barrel and improved muzzle brake to manage the earth-shaking recoil. It gives the Russian sniper platoon the ability to reach out and touch targets at 1,500 meters with armor-piercing destruction. PLK Lebedev, the modernization of the sidearm. For decades, Russian officers carried the Makarov, followed by the clunky MP443 Grach. The PLK Compact Lebedev is the 2026 standard for police and special forces, slowly filtering to the Army. It is a striker-fired aluminum-framed pistol chambered in 9x19 mm. It has a remarkably low bore axis, meaning the barrel sits low in the hand, significantly reducing muzzle flip and allowing for rapid follow-up shots. It is slim, ergonomic, and arguably the first truly Western-quality pistol to enter Russian mass production. GM-94, the bunker buster. This looks like a shotgun, but it is actually a pump-action grenade launcher firing 43 mm thermobarrel rounds. Unlike fragmentation grenades that rely on shrapnel, the GM-94 creates a massive pressure wave and fireball. It is designed for urban warfare, specifically for clearing rooms, bunkers, and trenches. The thermobarrel blast can kill enemies hiding around corners or behind cover where shrapnel wouldn't reach. It is so effective that it has become a priority weapon for assault engineer squads.